Hello, in today's video I will be unboxing and trying my new Belly Bandit products. I have been using Belly Bandit products for years now. I have used nursing bras, pregnancy support products, pregnancy leggings, postpartum compression leggings, nursing tanks, their postpartum wraps, their shorts, postpartum bras, well, almost everything. Their products are very comfortable. After many years, I always come back to them and repurchase their products. I have a few videos here on my channel unboxing Belly Bandit if you want to go check them out. In this occasion, as you can see, I ordered for the first time the Mother Talker biker short and the Mother Talker smoothing short. These are very different. This Mother Talker smoothing short, the fabric is very soft and also very flexible and very comfortable. You barely feel it when you're wearing it under your dress, short or white pants. This little shorty helped me conceal and soften my cellulitis problem, mostly on my leg and hips, and it makes my body look with shape. It softens my thighs and my belly roll. I also noticed that this time they have already added this little humidity absorption pad to the bottom of the short because previously it didn't have it. So I'm glad it has it now. So what I do is I always wash it after each use. I wash it by hands because it's easier for me to do that. I don't like to throw it in the washing machine because I like it to last longer. So I wash it by hand and I let it air dry in my bathroom or outside. I ordered the size medium. Previously I had owned the size small, but it doesn't fit me anymore. So I want to try how the size medium fit me. So I will show you in a little bit. For your reference, I am 5'2" and my weight is 130 pounds. I'm short and a little overweight, but I really have no idea how this material will fit in a taller, oversized woman. So you will have to try by yourself if you are taller than me and you weigh more than me. This Belly Bandit Mother Talker biker short is the first time I ordered, but I was very interested in trying them. I ordered the size medium. I don't know if this size will fit me because it's very different than the shorty, than the one that I just talked to about. But this product is not necessarily for pregnant or postpartum mothers. These products work for every woman who likes to enhance their appearance and they like to feel comfortable when wearing their favorite clothes without feeling insecure about how firmer or loose their body is. As you can see, the material in this biker short is stronger. I think it's more elastic. The compression is also stronger and tighter. This material is more like a legging type of material. It's not that thin, and I'm very excited to try and see how they fit me. I personally don't wear this type of shorts by themselves. I like to wear them with dresses or skirt or loose pants because my point is to look firmer. I really don't like my glutes or my behind to look like gelatin when I walk, so that's why I wear this type of shapewear. Let me read you a little bit about how it's described on their website. Their Mother Talker biker shorts utilize Belly Bandit world-famous compression technology to keep your postpartum tummy securely tucked. The no-show touch and muffinology technology give these chic shorts their superpower, and the soft breathable fabric will keep you cool and compressed. More details: 300 degrees of powerful compression, smoothies muffin top, ultra high waist, hits right under bra line, engages core with a secure fit, help prevent thigh chafing, targeted compression zones, smooth and shaped tummy touch and tights, no show touch, seamless breathable knit, holds its shape wash after wash, feature muffinology technology, tuxedo stripe down the side. Now let me show you how the mother talker shorty looks like on me. I'm 5'2", 130 pounds, and I'm gonna try this on the medium size. I wish this will be a little higher on the waist. Yes, because I think that's very important to me. But either way, I still like it. This is just an example on how it will look with a shirt dress. I won't wear it like this, but I wanted to show you how it looks like. And I like the color, perfect for any type of dresses or skirts or even pants. Let's try the biker short. Oh, this is a good size. It's still a little bit loose from the top. Maybe I need a smaller size. It's the first time I ordered the biker short and I didn't know what size. Now I know I should have ordered sizes small. But I like how it feels. Oh, a lot better. It covers better the belly pouch from the babies. This is nice. It makes me feel like I have good shape. Oh wow, I like how we feel this part over here. This is from Atleta. Looks cool. This biker short has a very high waist, so I think this is good for taller women. I love how the bike shirt feels on my body. It feels very comfortable, very snuggly and tight, and I like that it gives me shape. Even if I don't, I'm not gonna wear it like that. I bought this to wear it under my dresses or loose pants or skirt. And I also got this mother talker, but this is it's called mother talker shorty, I think. Yeah, mother talker shorty. The fabric is very soft and light, so this is more especially for, yeah, for dresses and skirts. And I also like to wear it under shorts, not too short of course, and with my loose or wide leg pants. I like that my pants looks firm even if the pants are wide or loose, but I like to put this under so it looks tight. So I've been using this for a long time, and I was using the small before my last kid and after the pregnancy, but I have gained a lot of weight, so I have to give away the small one. So I got the medium, and I think the medium is good. The only thing I saw that I didn't like is too tight on my legs. My legs are too thick. I hope I lose weight and then it will fit better, because I won't return it. I will keep it. I will keep it because I like how it fit from my waist and my tummy. And it's perfect for dresses. I need it this summer and on winter even. So that's it for this video. I hope it is of some help to you, and see you next time. Bye.